Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Dog River Bridge, or near mouth of Mobile River. The strong thunderstorm was nearly stationary. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Gator Island, Pinto Island, Dog River Bridge, mouth of Mobile River, Battleship Park, and Fairhope Pier. Move to safe harbor until the hazardous weather passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location, North Mobile Bay.